Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm going to do just a fun little painting. On this is a 10 by 20 inch artist loft canvas. And I'm going to use, I have white down for my base. And I'm going to use, let's see what I have here. I have Liquitex Basics. I think it's either neon orange or fluorescent orange. Decoart's metallic 24 karat gold. I have SoHo's Prussian blue. I have Decoart's metallic sapphire. And I have Decoart's, no, this is Rustoleum's metallic Glacier blue. Such a pretty color, my goodness. So what I'm going to do today, I think I want to keep it simple. And let's see, I gotta think. I kind of just want it to kind of go in an angle, not necessarily straight across, but maybe like a little bit of a curve to it. And I want some negative space, but I want it just to be real simple. that. So pretty. That gold that's in that orange. So pretty. Look at that shimmer. Got some really pretty lacing and some really cool cells going on. Look at that there. That's cool. Love that. Got that funky stuff there. This gold one is really cool, how it has like the gold, darker gold in the middle, and then kind of like a lighter cloud of gold wrapped around it. It's really cool. But you guys have to tell me what you think. I think it can go either this way or even an up and down piece. But I do thank everybody for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm liking these. These are really simple, but they look awesome. And if you're new, I hope you enjoyed and you will come back again. I appreciate you watching, and hit that notification bell so then you'll be notified when I put up my next video, which is normally on Sundays and Wednesdays. And then I also do a random one here and there throughout the week once in a while, if I have a collaboration or just because I want to put a little something extra out. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, thank you. I hope you guys, I appreciate your support, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll come back again and continue to support my channel. I'm slowly growing, but I'm getting there. Woohoo, getting up there. So I do appreciate you guys. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe. I thought that was so cool. And healthy in general and safe from COVID, and hopefully that's finally starting to get better here. And I do appreciate you guys watching. I hope you guys will come back again. So have a good day and have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye.